Hi guys, so this is my new 55-gallon Imaginarium tank. So I purchased this one in Petco for my points because I accumulated a lot of points in Petco since I remember year 2019 and also in PetSmart. So almost I am 30 years hobby for this kind of aquarium. So first of all the accessories I bought also in Petco, and this wood from Amazon. So if you like, I can put the description link for the video below. And the Imaginarium aquarium, the stand in Petco. So total I paid for the aquarium for $50 because of my points, and the Imaginarium aquarium stand like $70. So they deduct my points and then the remaining one, so I paid it. So the wallpaper, as you can see, the wallpaper is from Amazon. To let me know and put comments if you want me to put the description link for that. So this is my anniversary wedding, another collections. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total aquarium. There's 3 inside the house, so this one from garage. So you're thinking why I bought again an aquarium. So the reason why I bought aquarium again, because of these all babies. So I have 7 angelfish, 2 types of tetras, and 3 clownfish, clown loaches. So this tank is 20-gallon Imaginarium long. I purchased also for the sales discount of like almost 70% sale in PetSmart. So in the stand in Amazon. So 2 days more because this water like almost 4 days water cycle. So if you put something like new fish in the new environment, like you will transfer the fish from the bigger one. So don't put fish directly to the new aquarium. So you need to make cycle, like some people telling me like 1 month it's better, but for me I'll make it to like 2 weeks because it's already cycled the water. And I put like this one, the food they're calling ghost fish. So you just put there, pinch of your finger to develop the beneficial bacteria they're calling. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 filter and 1 thermostat. So, and I have LED lights. So just comment below guys if you like this video, or comment if you need to add more something like for the aquarium inside. I think this is all the accessory included, so I don't need to buy anything. So you can put also extra one here. I have 10 gallons here, so that's reserved for all the babies coming. And then as you can see, look like there's a fish here, but it's just a wallpaper there. As you can see, the tetras, yeah. I'm so happy, another collections. And that's all guys, thank you for watching and happy fish keeping.